device, procedures or medicines utilized toward the controlling of the अथवा delay, it may be control or delay, avoid the pregnancies. So totally contraceptives are using to prevent the fertilization. Again, it stoppage or it will be stop the fusion of sperm and egg. Sperm and egg का fusion होने ये नहीं देता, इसको रोक देता है ताकि वहाँ fertilization ना हो और pregnancy ना हो. So that is the contraceptions, and we are doing the contraceptions, we are adopting the contraceptions only because of reduce the populations, because increased population has number of problems. So students, the contraceptives are basically divided into these two categories. One is temporary, right, and another one is permanent. One is temporary method and another one is permanent method. So in temporary method, it is going to be classified into further, that is the naturals, barriers, natural barriers, IUDs, and oral contraceptions. Oral contraceptions, right? And the permanent method, in the permanent method, only one thing, that is the surgical. Only one thing, that is the surgical. So students, temporary and permanent methods are there only to avoid or delay in the conceive. Okay, now? So let us study one by one in detail. The first one, that is the natural one method. In natural, there does not adapting to any kind of device, any kind of chemical or any kind of procedure. Just we are maintaining a natural phenomena, a natural things to delay in the pregnancies. So in the natural, one is periodic periodic abstinence. Second, coitus interruptus. Third, lactational amenorrhea. Okay, na students? So these three are the belongs to natural method. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट क्या होता है, देखिए यहाँ पर पीरियोडिक एब्स्टिनेंस. सी हम करने जा रहे हैं कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स, यानी कि हम यहाँ बना रहे हैं डिले. हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, डिले या फिर रोक रहे, अवॉइडिंग द प्रेगनेंसी अवॉइड करना बोले तो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू, हम अवॉइड करने जा रहे हैं फर्टिलाइजेशन को. ठीक है, अब फर्टिलाइजेशन कब होता है, एक स्पर्म और एग ये दोनों के फ्यूजन से होता है फर्टिलाइजेशन. तो एक सेल बनता है जिसका नाम है जाइगोट के बाद अल्टीमेटली एम्ब्रियो टू द चाइल्ड. ठीक है, तो हमें ये जाइगोट को रोकना है, जाइगोट को नहीं बनने देना है, तो फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होना. ठीक है, तो फर्टिलाइजेशन कब होता है, फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है तब वहाँ फीमेल के पास, इनसाइड द फीमेल बॉडी, सपोज देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ एग, एट द टाइम ऑफ sperm will enter, then only the chances of fertilization. So we are performing the intercourse, we are suggest to perform the intercourse in the periodic abstinence. What do you mean abstinence here? Absence of the egg, in the female reproductive system. Suppose we suggest to a couple to perform intercourse process in absence of egg. In absence of egg, then there is no chance, there is 100% no chance of the fertilization. Of course, sperms are there, but there is no egg, hence fertilization does not take place and pregnancy does not happen. So this is called periodic abstinences. Why it is called periodic? Means in a menstrual cycle there is a certain period, there is a certain time where egg is available as well as egg is not available. So we we are suggested to perform the intercourse in absence of the egg. In absence of the egg, we are suggested to perform the intercourse. Then there is no chance of the fertilization, no chance of the pregnancy. Hence, it is what? Natural as well as temporary. One times happen, but another time it may be possible. Hence, it is a temporary. Next thing so it is temporary. The second one is coitus interruptus. See, coitus means intercourse. Coitus means sexual contact in between male and female. Interruptus means withdrawal method, which is also called withdrawal method. Here we are going to remove out. We are suggested to remove the sexual organ from the female. Remove the sexual organ from the female before ejaculation. Ejaculation means insertion of reproductive cell in the female genital tract. Before entry of those reproductive cells, just remove out the male from the female side. That is what coitus interruptus. The third one is a lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea, where after the delivery, the female does not produce egg up to the 6 month after the delivery. Once delivery happen, delivery agin mala 6 month thana badaga, she does not produce the egg because of the lactation, because of the production of the milk. There is a hormonal imbalance. So hence she does not produce egg naturally. At that time, the intercourse can happen. Then there is no chances of the fertilization. Hence, all these three belongs to natural temporary methods to avoid to delay in the pregnancy. How the? Okay. Now we look at the next one. That is the barrier methods. That is the what? Barrier method. Some material are going to be utilized to stop or to make a barrier between the fusion of egg and sperms. Egg and sperms को वहाँ fuse होने ही नहीं देना, उन दोनों को join होने ही नहीं देना. Those are called barriers. And in barrier category, there are certain types. One is condom and second diaphragm. Third is cervical cap. So these are the three types are made by a rubber sheet where applied on reproductive part of the male and female, and then they can perform the intercourse. They are the barriers. They prevent the fusion of egg and sperm. So this is what barrier methods. Same thing, there are certain IUDs. What do you mean IUDs here? Intrauterine device. Intra artha put the inside of the body. Uterine is nothing but uterus. Uterine is nothing but uterus. And what is the uterus? We know a part of the female reproductive system, a oviduct, a accessory duct of the reproductive system, oviduct, and it's a device. So here these devices are divided into like this. One is non-medicated device. Example for this, lips loop is an example. And second one is copper releasing IOD. Copper releasing IOD. Example for copper releasing IOD, that is CUT, CU7 multi-load 375. Multi-load 375 are the example. Next, hormone releasing IOD. Third one, hormone releasing IOD. For hormone releasing IUD, the example is progesterone and LNG 20 are the example for hormone releasing IUD. So students, you can see here these all are make prevention in the fertilization. They inhibit the sperm fertility capacity. They make uterus unfit for the implantation. They make uterus unfit for the implantation. They produce phagocytosis. So all these things are only helping toward delay in the pregnancy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುವ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತದ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತದ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ IUDs. Now after the IUDs there is another method in the delay in the pregnancy, that is what oral contraceptions. Orals ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ ಬಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. that tablets is nothing but pills. ಅದು ನಾವು pills ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇವ. ಅದು ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ there is a hormonal imbalance. Those tablets make a woman to produce egg in a proper date, in a proper sequence, in a proper condition. So the female, and the female which those females which consume the tablets, which consume the pills, does not produce the proper conditioned egg. That is what oral contraceptions. Saheli is one of the name of the tablet. Saheli was produced in the Central Research Drug Institute, Lucknow, where the Saheli was produced, and this Saheli available in the market also. So this is what oral contraceptions, right? Now this oral, IUD, barrier and natural, all four are belongs to which category? Temporary. ये सारे के सारे temporary है. इसको आप कभी भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो और कभी भी बंद कर सकते हो. इस मेथड को हम बोलेंगे temporary method. Now students, the another one method, that is surgical. Surgical method is what? It's a permanent. After the surgery there are no further chances for the conceptions. So surgical method is classified into two categories. One is vasectomy, another one is tubectomy. Here cut and tied up of a accessory duct of the male reproductive system, that is the vas difference. Indian way vas difference ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು. vas difference ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So permanently we are cutting, we are surgically performed in a male reproductive system where we are cutting the vas duct, vas difference. It's an accessory duct in male reproductive system. This can prevent the movement of sperm toward the further parts. So this is what vasectomy in male and surgical permanent method to delay, not only delay, completely avoiding the pregnancy. Other ರೀತಿ in female we are cutting the fallopian tube. Yes, fallopian tube is going to be cut and tied up. The fallopian tube of the female is known as tubectomy, performing in the female to completely avoiding the what? Pregnancies. So students, I hope you people are understood it very well about the contraceptions, about the population exposure, birth control, all those things. You ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದ್ರಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ PDF ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ while in the next class we will continue the further topics. Thank you.